Hi, this is your Sinoy Boholano blogger, Doc Freakin' Vlad, and welcome to Doc Vlad's Food Blog. It was the B-O-M-B. Greetings to all my friends and followers on Doc Vlad's Food Blog. This is your Sinoy Boholano blogger, Doc Freakin' Vlad. I'm here at Bohol Covered Court area in Tagbilaran City, where Kumong Boholanon 18 is about to take place. The amateur fights are finished, the professional fights are coming. I'm not allowed to cover the professional fights due to the fact that while we're working here, we cannot be distracted from our duties, so I will only be vlogging intermittently. I will be showing you what's going on. I am the ring physician for the professional fights. I'm going to turn the camera on. I'm going to show you what's going on right now. Okay guys, so here are the medical equipment that I have here. These are the forms that I need to fill out after every match. This is the arena. There's my friend. There's some other friends of mine from Philippine Red Cross Bohol chapter. There's Sean, by the way, Aguna. And this is my friend from Gap. The Soners. So I'm the ring physician and I have the nurses here to assist me. I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Okay guys, I'm here with the round girls for tonight, for this evening. Here we are. So are you guys excited for this evening?
Yeah.
Are you excited for this evening? Okay, so there you have it. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, so this one is the infra scanner. This is used after every boxing match to check the boxers to make sure there's no intracranial bleeding or bleeding within the skull.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Kumong Boholanon 18, happening right here in Barangay Bohol Covered Court in the city of BZ, Friendship, Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines. I know we have been looking forward for this day to come, and now it's finally here. As PMI Bohol Boxing Promotions proudly bring you Kumong Boholanon 18. This professional boxing event is under the regulation and supervision of the Games and Amusements Board, with GAP Chair at the helm, Attorney Francisco J. Rivera, with GAP Commissioners Attorney Manuel Plaza and Commissioner Angel P. Bautista. We also have our GAP Central Office Boxing Division official in attendance, Ms. Joanna Bisenio, supervising this professional boxing event. Our promoter for this professional boxing event, ladies and gentlemen, Attorney Floricel H. Chavez Porto of PMI Bohol Boxing Promotions. At stake for our main event for Kumong Boholanon 18 is for the Philippine Boxing Federation minimum weight title. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we've all been waiting for. We would like to request everyone to please rise for the invocation. Our official ring physician, Dr. Vladimir Gerard Coe. We have our 3 judges scoring at ringside. Judge Melchor Arol, Judge Anito Joaquin, and Judge Arjun Sigoy. Boxing Organization. Sa kadaghan ninyo ata nga gusto mag-rank number 1. What's next for Reggie Sugano ba?
Wala sa tanan, mayroong gabi sa Buoy o sa mga salamat sa Barangay Official sa Buoy o Barangay Papelo. Labi na sa ngayon din sa kabilala na Mayor Jiliam na ano na yung suporta. Salamat nila. Nani ko yung umabot na gawa karong December 21. Ano siya, ang video ay ito sa HDO Partnership. Ang utang ay nilalandin. Ang record na ni 30 minutes, hindi pwede lang kauloso. Inaot ko na sa panglato ninyo, kinakilala nito.
So Reggie, siya ang mo umabot na fight karong December 21 sa HDO Partnership. Muna ba niya ang chin-up fight mo para sa who knows imong world title, crack at the world title?
Natutunan ko na after nilwa, kagawa na balik sa world title.
Kinsa man ang champion karon, reigning champion sa WBO Senior Division?
Winning champion na taga-Japan. Ito sa record na 8 wins, 8 KO, 1 loss. Champion siya pa October. Ako na challenger karon.
Okay, first, call out mo ng champion na taga-Japan. Pero instead nga pilion kaniya, ang iyang ipili nga iyang may mong kontra katong taga-Spain na to or taga-Isa to. Pero kung nagkaligay-ligay siya ni mo, kamot kay mandatory, mahimo naman yung mandatory alipohon kay number 1 rank maka sa WBO. So, good luck, Reggie, sa mong maabot mga boxing matches. And let's give it up once again, ladies and gentlemen, for our champion, Reggie, the Filipino Phenom Sugano. His professional record, 8 wins with 8 losses, 1 draw, and 1 win came by way of knockout. From Cagayan de Oro City, let's give it up for, from Team Argels, Francis J. the Amazing Boy Diaz. And his opponent across the ring fighting out of the red corner. Official weight, 111.6 pounds. He is undefeated in 9 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, from Tagbilaran City Hall, fighting out the PMI Ball Boxing Stable. Let's give it up for Angelo Pinoy Ali Dalonto. Referee Angelito Miguero will now give instructions to our boxers.
Vice Mayor Agamala and Bagayap sa IBT area sa atong Central Public Market para daghang mga Bulanon o tag-Ilaranon ang makakita sa talento sa atong mga boxers. Congratulations in advance sa PMI Boxing Promotions as si Saving Tag-Ilaran Asenso Pamor kanatong tanan.
Championship bout at the bell. Mark Jason Gardosa and Loretta Pimentiza, our official ring physician, Dr. Vladimir Girardco. We have our official judges scoring at ringside. Judge Angelito Piquero, Judge Angelito Buwaki, and Judge Arjun Sigoy. And when the bell rings, the referee in charge of the action. Third man inside the ring, referee Melchor Amor. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for the Philippine Boxing Federation minimum weight title, 10 rounds of championship boxing. Introducing first, fighting out on the blue corner. Official weight, 107.5 pounds. Professional record, 8 wins, 5 losses, and 1 draw, with 3 of those wins came by way of knockout. From Carmen, Bohol, let's make some noise for Roldan Sasa. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, official weight 104.4 pounds, professional record 10 wins with only 1 defeat, no bouts even, and 5 of those wins came by way of knockout. He is the former WBO Oriental Youth Minimum Weight Champion, fighting out of Marie Bohol from PMI Bohol Boxing Stable. Let's make some noise for Sugar Shane Hirtangan. Referee Melchor Amor will now give instructions to our boxers.
Hey, this is your Sinoy Boholano blogger, Doc Freaking Vlad. That was Kumong Boholanon 18. Since I wasn't allowed to blog the way I usually did in the past in previous boxing matches due to a ruling from the Games and Amusement Board, I can give you a short summary of what happened. Okay, just the really short summary. Wins and losses. If you want to watch the actual fights, you can go to the PMI Boxing Stable Facebook page, the Kumong Boholanon Facebook page, or the Kumong Boholanon PMI Boxing Stable YouTube channels. Okay? So in the very first match of Kumong Boholanon 18, Galigao lost in the first round due to TKO. The second match, Silvano lost in the third round due to TKO. Diaz lost in the third match during the fourth round due to TKO. And Sasan lost in the fourth round due to TKO in the very last and final match. So basically, it was all PMI Boxing Stable, all winners. So congratulations to all the winners, and congratulations to Attorney Podot and all the coaches and trainers there. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure, and all I can do right now is just say take good care, stay safe always, God bless, I will see you guys next time. This is your Sinoy Boholano vlogger, that freaking Vlad, saying peace out, everyone.